in my process to find Dr. Lamb, most of them told me, you know, PRP was probably the best that they could do, couldn't guarantee the results. I had a giant, like $half size bald spot right here on the top of my head when I started. And when I first came in, they recommended his 82F solution. And I wasn't super excited about trying it because none of the other minoxidil solutions had ever worked, but they talked me into trying it for about a year, and it did double about what I had on top in this thinning area up here. But I did still need some density around my hairline. So we went ahead and did the hair transplant yesterday, and I'm absolutely thrilled with the way that it came out. I mean, you can see my hairline's full again, and it was certainly not that way yesterday. There was no pain whatsoever. I showed up at 6:30 yesterday morning. His team was super sweet all day long. They made sure that I was comfortable. You know, I napped for most of the day. Got up this morning, came back for my follow-up, and there was, you know, a little bit of pain around the incision site in the back, and he put a couple of injections in there, and I'm in no pain whatsoever now. He also sent me home with some ATP spray to help it heal up a little bit better. That's something that I'd never even heard of until I got over here to Dr. Lamb. So I couldn't be happier with the results.